If you want to know how to pay credit card bill in HDFC Bank application, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, the very first thing you have to do is just simply open HDFC Bank application in your mobile phone and complete the login process. Once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. Now, it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Once the application is started, simply tap on view all option over here and it will take you to the overview page. At the bottom of this, you get an option of credit card. So if you tap on this arrow, you will be able to see credit cards over here. Now I have Money Back Plus credit card and I also have HDFC Bank UPI credit card. So you have to select the card for which you want to do the payment. In my case, I want to do the payment for Money Back Plus card. So I'm going to select that. And on the next page, it is going to show you the current outstanding amount. Now, this is the outstanding amount, but it includes loan outstanding as well. If you want to know the exact amount for the last statement, then you can simply go down and over here you can check out the total amount due which you have to pay in this particular month. So you can check out basic details. It will show you the statement date. It will also show you the total amount of statement, when was last payment made or what amount was paid last time. You can check out all those basic details over here. Now in order to pay the current bill, you have to tap on this pay option, and on the next page you can check out the account from which you are going to do the payment. The account will be shown over here and you can select the amount you want to pay. Either you can choose minimum amount, but I won't recommend you that. Always try to do the full payment. So select total amount over here. If you have to pay some other amount, you can select other option as well. For now, we are just going to select total amount. Once you select it, select continue option. Now on the next page, just cross verify all the details and simply tap on confirm option. Within few seconds, you can see I've got a message saying that you have successfully paid your credit card bill. I have also got a message from bank. So yeah, if you want to download this receipt, you can download it. If you want to share it somewhere, you have share option as well. Also, if you want to enable auto pay, you get enable auto pay option over here. Simply tap on done option and you're good to go. Within few hours, the data will be updated. You can come back to HDFC Bank application and you can check if the bill is paid or not. So yeah, that's how simple it is to pay credit card bill in HDFC Bank application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.